Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this one we are going to be learning how to set up the inventory option for trip duration in Dupli Travel. Previously, Dupli Travel Pro plugin provides the inventory feature only in fixed departure. But now you can use the inventory feature in trip duration from Dupli Travel Pro version 4.1.0, which can limit the number of seats for booking the trip. For more information regarding inventory feature in fixed departure, you can consider the link in the description of this video. To know about how to set up the inventory option for trip duration, then please follow this step-by-step guide. So first of all, from your admin's dashboard, after activation of Dupli Travel Pro version 4.1.0 plugin, you need to enable Dupli Travel inventory management modules by going to Dupli Travel settings, and from there to module settings, drop down the Pro modules option, and here make sure the inventory management is enabled. Once you do this, save your settings, and now you need to head over to your individual trips. So go to trips and all trips. From here, select a trip of your choice and scroll a little bit down until you find inventory options. Click on that and enable trip inventory option. After enabling, you will be able to see some fields just pop up. After the option of enable trip inventory option, you can see the count paid booking for inventory. Dupli Travel Pro version 4.0.3 has come up with a new feature that allows you to reduce the number of available booking seats packs only for booking with payment. To achieve this feature, you have to enable it. Now the point to be noted here is that when disabling this option, inventory will reduce in case of both booking and booking with payment. The next is inventory size. This option allows you to add the inventory size of your trip. After that comes the out of stock option. This is the most requested feature which is now available in Dupli Travel Pro plugin. If the trip is booked up to the max number of packs that you have defined, then this feature will allow you either to add inquiry form or display the sold out message. So this really great feature is finally now here. Now if you select display inquiry option and save your changes, it is going to be looking something like this in the front end when the max number of packs is reached. So the next option is sold out message. This option allows you to add a custom message to display when the trip is unavailable for the date. Then after selecting the sold out message option from the back end on the single trip page, the sold out message will be displayed as could be seen here in the front end page. So what you need to do is from your admin's dashboard, head over to trips and from there to all trips. Select a trip of your choice, and from the inventory options, make sure you have enabled the trip inventory option and save your changes. After that, you need to head over to this prices and dates, and from there to prices. Here if you scroll a little bit down, you will be able to see where you need to enter the max number of packs for which the inventory feature will be working. After you've done this, save your changes, and now you need to head over to dates section. The trip inventory option works for both fixed departures and non-fixed departures. So if you want to use it for fixed departures, you can simply enable this feature, and if you do not want to do that, you can simply keep it disabled. After that, you can select the number of days and nights you will be providing. After that, simply save your changes, and we are pretty much done from the backend section. Now let's just move to the front end section and see how our inventory feature is working. Okay, so right now as you can see, we are on our front end page, and here if you go to book now and select the date of your choice and select the pricing, like for example a regular, and right now you can see the max number of packs is 5, and if we book 2 out of 5 and click on book now and enter our payment details and click on book now with booking with payment or booking only, and once your booking is done, if we head back to the trip and click on book now and select the date again and click on the regular price, you can see the max number of packs is decreased to 3 this time, and this is because of inventory option which was enabled by us. So this is working perfectly, and I hope you understood the concept. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Until next time, peace.